Good morning, students. All are well now. Prepare the notes. Today I will be dealing with the remaining part of the magnesium, that is clinical features of hypomagnesemia. First one is irritability, convulsion, areflexia. Areflexia means the absence of neurologic reflexes. Then hyperreflexia, increased reflex. Then ataxia, muscular weakness and tetany. Hypermagnesemia may occur in diminished urinary excretion and manifested as muscular weakness. Hypermagnesemia manifested as muscular weakness, low BP, sedation, extreme thirst, and even respiratory muscle paralysis. These are the clinical features of hypermagnesemia and hypermagnesemia. Sixth element is iron. It is an important mineral in the formation of hemoglobin. Iron is an important mineral element in the formation of hemoglobin. It helps in the development and functions of brain regulation of body temperature. It helps in development and functions of brain regulation of body temperature. Then muscular activity and catecholamine metabolism. It helps in the muscular activity and catecholamine metabolism. What is catecholamine? Catecholamine is a hormone by the adrenal glands. Example: dopamine, epinephrine. Catecholamine is the hormones by the adrenal gland. Then it is essential for the production of antibodies, enzymes, and cytochromes. What is cytochrome? Cytochrome is the active part containing iron, heme. Cytochromes are the active protein containing heme. It is essential for the production of antibodies, enzyme, and cytochromes. Cytochromes are the active proteins containing heme. Then important function of iron is oxygen transport and cell respiration, that is tissue respiration, internal respiration. Important function of iron is oxygen transport and cell respiration. There are two forms of iron. First one is heme iron and non-heme iron. Two forms of first heme iron and non-heme iron. Best sources heme iron best sources are liver, meat, egg, and fish. Heme iron, two forms, heme iron and non-heme iron. The heme iron best sources are liver, meat, egg, and fish. Non-heme iron sources are green leafy vegetables, legumes, nuts, cereals, oil seeds, jaggery, and dry fruits. The food which inhibit the iron absorption are milk, egg, tea, and excess fiber. The food which inhibit the iron absorption are milk, inhibit the iron absorption, egg, tea, and excess fiber. Vitamin containing food items promote iron absorption. Vitamin containing food promote the iron absorption. The food milk, egg, tea, and excess fiber which inhibit the iron absorption. Then deficiency of the iron. Nutritional anemia of mitocytic hypochromic nature. Nutritional anemia of mitocytic hypochromic nature means small red blood cells in the peripheral smear. Their peripheral smear red blood cells are very small. It is microcytic hypochromic nature. Then excess of iron and deposition of abnormal iron pigment in the tissue may occur in iron poisoning. Excess of iron and deposition of abnormal iron pigment in the tissue may occur iron poisoning. Excessive breakdown of RBC in hemolytic anemia and repeated blood transfusion as in thalassemia. The causes of iron poisoning is excessive breakdown of RBC in hemolytic anemia and repeated blood transfusion as in thalassemia. Thalassemia is a blood disorder. Next one is prevention. Iron-rich food dietary intake can prevent the iron deficiency by take iron-rich food. Then treatment of chronic blood loss, worm infestations. Treat the chronic blood loss and worm infestations. The seventh mineral element is iodine. Iodine is a significant micronutrient essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormone, that is thyroxine T4 and triiodothyroxine T3. Iodine is a significant micronutrient essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones, that is thyroxine T4 and triiodothyroxine T3. It is also required in small amount for growth and development. Iodine is also required for the growth and development in small amount. Then sources of iodine. Seafoods like sea fish and sea salt, and vegetables grown in soil rich in iodine. Iodine source foods are seafoods, example sea fish and sea salt, and vegetables grown in soil rich in iodine. Smaller amount of available from milk, meat and cereals. Fresh water is very poor source of iodine. Rich sources: seafoods, sea fish, sea salt, vegetable grown in soil rich in iodine. Then small amount available from milk. Iodine amount is very small. Meat and cereals. Fresh water is very poor source of iodine. Some food interfere with iodine utilization by thyroid glands and termed as goitrogens. Some food interfere with the iodine utilization by thyroid gland and termed as goitrogens. What is goitrogens? Goitrogens are the substance that disrupt the production of thyroid hormone by hindering uptake of iodine in the thyroid gland. These goitrogens. Goitrogens are the substance that disrupt the production of thyroid hormone. It disturb the production of thyroid hormone by hindering the uptake of iodine in the thyroid gland. That is the goitrogens. Some food interfere with the iodine utilization by thyroid gland and termed as goitrogens. Vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower may contain goitrogen. Iodine deficiency disorders are goiter, hypothyroidism, cretinism, dwarfism, deaf, mutism, subnormal intelligence, impaired physical and mental growth, and delayed milestone. These are the iodine deficiency disorders: goiter, hypothyroidism, cretinism, dwarfism, deaf, mutism, subnormal intelligence, impaired physical and mental growth, and delayed milestones. Next is the prevention of iodine. Dietary intake of iodine-rich foods. Then iodized salt. Take iodine-rich foods and iodized salt to prevent the iodine deficiency. Eighth one is fluorine. Fluorine is essential for the normal mineralization of bone and formation of tooth enamel. Fluorine is essential for normal mineralization of bone and formation of tooth enamel. The main source of fluorine is drinking water. Main source of fluorine is drinking water. It is also available in foods like sea fish, cheese and dates. Fluorine is available in foods like sea fish, cheese and dates. Inadequate fluorine intake may lead to dental caries. Deficiency of fluorine may leads to dental caries.